In this video, we'll walk through how to edit your listing, starting with the price. By default, your listing is set to a flat fee, which is what most users stick with. This means a fixed price per unit of time, typically per day. You can also choose none if you don't want to charge for the listing at all, or fixed, which applies a one-time fee regardless of how many days are selected. Next is the taxes and discounts section. Fleetwire allows you to add taxes or fees to your listing. More on that shortly. You can also set up duration-based discounts. These are automatically applied if a renter selects 3, 7, or 30 days, encouraging longer bookings. There's also the option to create coupon codes for promotions or returning customers. And if you prefer not to offer any discounts, you can disable the promo code box entirely. Now let's talk about security deposits. Fleetwire can hold a deposit to cover incidental damages. This amount can be tied directly to a specific listing or set as a global default, something we'll cover in another video. Moving on to distance allowances. You can choose between unlimited mileage or set a specific distance limit. If the renter goes over, an overage fee will apply. You can also cap the total mileage for a trip. For example, if you allow 300 miles per day for a 10-day trip, you can set a max limit of 1,000 miles instead of allowing the full 3,000. Be sure to click Save to apply your changes. Up next, we'll dive into the Vehicle tab, where you can manage listing details, upload photos, and complete the inspection sheet.